Come test drive the 2016 Acura TLX. The Acura TLX impresses drivers with its nimble handling, great fuel economy, and long list of high-tech features. It comes with an extremely quiet interior, spacious front seats, and smooth ride quality. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, power moonroof, rain sensing wipers, four-wheel disc brakes, speed control, rear window defroster, security system. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.